Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Blockchain and Crypto Today with your host, Kyle Ellicott. Guys, midweek, June 2nd, tons to talk about today. It's going to be a little extra long of an episode. I apologize, but I'm going to do my best to get all of this to you in under 5 minutes because that's what we do here on Blockchain and Crypto. Now, let's jump right into it. Here we go. All right. So first up this morning, crypto exchange Kraken is bringing its mobile app to US customers after launching it in Europe earlier this year. Users in the US will be able to trade over 50 different tokens and digital assets available on Kraken's platform from their mobile phones as of, guess what, today, according to recent reports on CNBC and multiple other sources as well. So a huge big move in the exchange part of the industry. Next up, now this is going to be a new segment I'm starting today on the show about just quick takes, just some heavy hits of what I'm seeing around the industry. So here we go. Quick takes. First up, Singapore-based gaming Singaporean gaming firm Razer is currently mulling over entering the cryptocurrency space, according to its CEO in recent statements. Now, the company is not looking to have their own currency per se, but are trying to figure out maybe the best entrance on how to enter the space properly based on demand from its users. Next up, Warazik X, apologize if I mispronounced that, but it's India's largest crypto exchange, has launched the country's first marketplace for non-fungible tokens. This will feature exclusive works by artists from India and other South Asian nations as well. Next up, the first ever large-scale non-fungible token or NFT project 888, the New World Ecosystem, is nearing launch on top of Flare, a very much anticipated programmatic blockchain. This is a new blockchain that we're seeing enter the space, and also something that's very exciting as a project as well. If you haven't checked it out, definitely dive deep. I had a chance to yesterday as well. Next up, Standard Charter is looking to launch a crypto brokerage, embarking on the venture with BC Technology Limited, a Hong Kong firm specializing in digital assets. The brokerage is looking to launch later this fall here in 2021, and the project will be based in the United Kingdom, initially targeting European customers in the overall market within the region. The two companies are coming together hoping to attract institutional traders by offering access to liquidity pools from other counterparties. Traders will be able to gain exposure to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a range of other digital assets. Now, take a quick step back. We've seen a number of brokerages come together and enter the market here in 2021 and expect more to come in 22. But this is one of the first times that I've actually seen two large financial institutions coming together to get into liquidity pools, not just offering exposure as well. So seeing where that goes. Next up, the IOTA Foundation has reached another milestone towards IOTA 2.0 with the launch today of Nectar DevNet. The DevNet sets the stage for the transition to a feeless, permissionless, and fully decentralized network. New fund alert today, special edition segment here on Blockchain and Crypto. Blue Yard Crypto 1, a $75 million early stage venture fund purely dedicated to crypto, launched yesterday, continuing that excitement today. Congratulations to the team. Next up, Master Ventures, launching a $30 million venture capital fund to support projects trying to integrate with Polkadot, as well as other early stage ventures building on the protocol. Exciting. Next up, Guggenheim. Another big news of today. Guggenheim Partners, one of the largest fund managers with $270 billion in client assets under management, AUM, is seeking exposure to Bitcoin as a part of a new fund. according to recent filings with the Security and Exchange Commission, also known as the SEC. The Spartan Group has announced the closing of their newest fund at $110 million. Congratulations to the team. And lastly, Borderless Capital, a big supporter of the Algorand ecosystem, has now created and launched a $25 million fund dubbed the Borderless.Miami Fund. This is a new fund that will focus on supporting blockchain startups in the city of Miami. The VC fund will also be joined by stablecoin issuer Circle to foster the growth of digital payments and digital capital markets within Miami. Borderless Capital is also seeking to launch a new Algorand Miami-based accelerator as well. They have accelerators elsewhere in the world, but this again is all focused on the city of Miami. Fun fact with Miami Bitcoin 2021 happening this week in Miami. And lastly, congratulations to Staking Rewards and also community-governed DEX or decentralized exchange EmiSwap on both of their recent fundraising announcements as well. All right, everybody, it was just under 7 minutes. We didn't go just under 5, just a few minutes over. Thank you for staying with me. That is the quick rundown. There's so much more. Also have news that Reef Finance is opening up about a $20 million grant program as well. So if you're building anything within the Reef ecosystem, that's another hit for you as well. So much more to talk about, more to come here on Wednesday, June 2nd. So make sure to follow me on Twitter for more information on today. Also context of what's happening in the industry, as well as a big upcoming research webinar next week covering the entire ecosystem around decentralized applications. Find out more, again, following me on Twitter. Big thank you to the LATOKEN team and to Maria and Hasmik for making today's episode possible. Check us out on latoken.com. And again, follow me on Twitter. And that is your quick rundown of what's happening in blockchain and crypto today, everybody, with your host, Ellicott. See you back tomorrow. Have a great day. Take care, everybody. Bye.